want to share with you this incredibly great rolling case. Now this is noted to be a teacher's rolling bag. This was provided for me to share with you. Let me share with you all the great details about this bag because this will be a teacher's best friend. It's also great if you're a traveling salesperson, a marketing person, a school teacher, a designer, anything where you need to carry a lot of stuff. And I think this is the most unique bag I've ever seen. Now, it was provided for me to share with you. Let's get into it. First, it has this telescoping handle. Makes it easy to carry. You can even put your purse and other things on the back here. Now, what's unique about this, it comes with 5 wheels. Look at this bottom. It's very secure. 5 wheels there on a very solid base. It's not just a bag base, it's a solid base. Now, when you get it, you pop this on and you pop on those wheels. So it comes in a bag much smaller than this. Now, it is 17 by 17 by 12. Now, just on the outside, there are so many pockets. Zipper pocket here. Quick grab and go ID cards, anything you need like that. But look at this. This is a filing cabinet office on wheels. You will see it has great spots for 6 folders here and some smaller pockets within there, which could be a cell phone, a calendar, different things like that. Now, your laptop will fit in here very easily. A 17-inch, 15-inch, even larger would fit in here because of the way this shape is made. Now, this bag has these great dual zippers that zip in both directions. And look at the breadth in here. Look at the depth in here. It is so awesome. There's so many pieces to this amazing bag. I'm going to turn this camera downward so you can see those great details. Inside the bag itself, we have computer pockets, iPad pockets. There's mesh pockets. There's 6 mesh pockets, 2 computer pockets, and then the big open space for whatever you have. It also has a shoulder strap here if you want to carry it that way. And it has these, this is an extra thing to hold something down if you need to keep something pinned down, and then a waterproof clear pocket at the top for anything that you need, that kind of protection. In addition to the telescoping handle and the shoulder straps, you have a hand strap set here. Now on the inside, there's so much room. You can have big binders, big course manuals, big things that you need to carry. And on the sides, you saw the front file. On this side, you have a big wide open space for anything that you might have, a project, a prototype, something like that. And on this side, again, another big open pocket. This one has a smaller mesh pocket on the inside, but for water bottles, there's spaces for pens, markers, if you have to carry a whiteboard with you, with markers. This is the bag to get for anybody in a professional industry that has to have things on the go. Now, I highly recommend this bag. It came very fast when ordered and super strong. It's got this base back here that is very strong. Now, this entire bag can slip off of this rolling tray, and you have a separate rolling tray in and of itself, which is also just an added benefit. See, it will slip all the way off. But together, you have the rolling bag, the bag itself, and you have so much storage that you will be looking for things to put in all these pockets. What a great gift for teachers. What an important bag to have for the year. I highly recommend this incredible rolling teacher's office on the go bag.